Bonjour! Hello, I'm Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? These are a lot of fun. Okay, starting off here. Okay. You become immortal, but only as long as you're touching this button. Implanted in my body. Yeah, sure. You will get $1 million. But someone on Earth will die. No. Oh shit, I meant to push it. Have a complete faith in religion and be comforted by having a supreme being watch over you, but you can't tell anyone about it. Sure. Woohoo! 60% of people are with me. Live span doubled with at least 60 years of youthful vigor, but you will step on a Lego brick at random intervals at least 4 times a day. Legos hurt, but if you step on them, but just wear shoes. Yeah! 65% are with me. You can become invisible, but only at random lengths of time. I'd like that. 53 are with me. Cutting in close, guys. Go to any place in the world you want, but you can only eat badly made food from the country. I like my food. Cutting it even closer, 51% are with me. You know the purpose of life and have godlike intelligence, but you cannot prove your knowledge and are labeled a conspirator. So, actually, I don't have a godlike intelligence right now, but I do know the purpose of life. You want me to tell you the purpose of life? I can't tell you. That would defeat the whole purpose. No. But I suppose people want to know what it's all about. No sense of mystery. You can fly, but you lose the ability whenever someone is looking at you. Including cameras. Yeah. Woohoo! 56% of people are with me. High five, dudes! I'm sorry. This random noise was brought to you by Sean Awesome. Okay. Next. You can freeze time. Freeze time, but you age twice as fast. Die twice as young. Also, you still age while time is frozen. Sure, I only wanna freeze time for a minute so I can do criminal activity. But life is fuck because I can't freeze time. Life is fuck. Next. Okay. You'll meet Sherlock Holmes and he'll be fascinated by you, but you will eventually die a slow and painful death with him watching, unable to help you. Oh, no. No, I don't want that. Whoa, 63% of people are with me. You eliminate one internet community of your choice, but you can never use the internet again. The internet's a cesspool. That's how it thrives. It thrives because there's so much filth on the internet. So no. Obviously 77% are with me. You understand every language in the world, but you can communicate in any of them. No, that's one of the joys of life, is learning languages. Well, for some people, 58% are with me. You get $1 million, but you have to blow a guy. Sorry, no, I can't do it, not even for $1 million. Men's penis sucking a man's dick is, I find that icky. You are the smartest person in the world, but you suffer from severe depression. Fuck. I already suffer from severe depression, and I really don't want it. And being the smartest one in the world is a journey, not boom, instant brainiac. It isn't that. It's, you have to work at it. Magic exists, and you are the most powerful of all the mages, but you have to vow never to harm or kill a living creature, even if it's for self-defense. I can always conjure up whatever and have them do my dirty work. So, and magic is so cool. So, yeah, 72% of people are with me. You get a sweet pet parrot, but all it does is talk shit about you. Mersa Art Dragon says, I will name it Internet. That's awesome. and parrots are cool. They can be noisy little fuckers, but they can be cool. Bears will never attack you, but rabbits always attack you. It's easy to fend off a rabbit than it is to fend off a bear, so yeah. Ooh, pretty close. But I'm in the minority. 49% of people press this button. You become the president of the United States, but everyone hates you. Hello, Trump. No. I don't want power. I wouldn't know where to begin or what to do with it. %64 did what I did. Be able to do anything you want, but have to be you have to be evil and a psychopath. Nice. I like how Dane Kundich said, quoted Sherlock and says, I'm not a psychopath, I'm a high-functioning sociopath. Do your research. That's awesome. Okay, one more. You can eat and drink as much as you want without getting fat, no strokes, diseases, etc. But you cannot urinate or release bowels. Well, that's a bad thing, because if you remember, well, I never told you this, but your asshole and your mouth are connected by one tube. And if I won't be able to release bubbles, it would come up and either come out my mouth or out my nose, and my eyes would turn brown. No way, no thank you. Whoa, 54% of people are with me on this. Well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, every day. I started this new thing where I even upload 2 videos on Saturday and 2 videos on Sunday. My 1-year anniversary of doing YouTube is coming up, so I will be making changes, but I don't know if I'll keep doing those videos on the weekend. Maybe I'll get used to it and stay on top of it, but right now I'm struggling to keep up. Some days I'll do short little commentary videos on whatever the fuck pops into my head. On March 15th, that will be the day, last day of my winter schedule, and then I will replace my commentaries with another type of video. I'm not sure what yet, but I'll let you know very soon. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description, and as always, hit like if you liked it. Au revoir. Goodbye.